Hi guys, Postman's bin. This should be a USB cable for my crab. Okay, there's our USB cable. So is it the right size? Fits. Hang on a minute, what can I do? That plugs in okay. Which way round does this go? It's bound to be the wrong way round. Oh no. Well, it's upside down. Let's see if anything's going in. Yeah, it's going in at about an amp. 1.03. I don't think I can actually move this around any further to turn it the right way up for us. Hang on. Right, there we are. Right way up so we can see it. Amps have dropped down a bit now. Point 0.7, 0.6, yeah, it's dropping down, so that, I mean, the battery was charged up anyway. So I would expect that to drop off, which it is. Yeah, dropping right down now, 0.37. That's good. I will keep watching it, just to see if it actually stops. I've no idea what sort of charge controller is actually in the crab. The only question in my mind is, do I take the crab apart again and take out the connectors that I put in there for temporarily running it off a different battery? Because if that battery's taking charge okay, there's no need for the connectors in there. It can be soldered back in place. Yeah, that definitely looks like that's doing the job. The reason I want to use this lead is I'm planning to give this to my daughter so she can take it to work. She works with people with special needs. It's the sort of thing that might be useful for her to attract their attention. Yep, that looks good. I got the power disconnected, so we're now measuring backwards from the lithium-ion battery. So we're not drawing any current, but we are showing, is it 4.1 volts, 4.12. Yeah, that's pretty good. We'll give him a test run. Oh. Yeah, he's working. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.